How to start creating sales funnels for free. Watch this video till the end, because in this video I am going to show you a tool that you can use to start creating sales funnels completely free. Yes, completely free. So let's just dive deep into the video. Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Jain. I am a funnel marketing coach, and my mission with this channel is to help you to build your coaching business by tapping the power of sales and marketing funnels and build the business around your passion, skill and knowledge so that you can live the life of freedom and abundance. So let's just see that how we can start creating the sales funnels for free. So for that, basically what you have to do, uh, you have to use the tool which is known as System.io. This is the tool, and this is the tool which actually gives you the plan where you can start creating sales funnels completely free. So let me show you the plans, and uh, it's going to be very useful for you. So basically there they have four plans: free plan, startup plan, webinar plan and unlimited plan. These are the four plans. You can see that the first free plan is $0 per month, and then they have $27, $47 per month and $97 per month. So that their highest plan with almost everything is unlimited is $97 per month. And you can see that there are alternatives like ClickFunnels which have the starting plan $97 per month, but here with $97 per month you have everything unlimited. So it's a very cost effective tool and very beginner friendly tool. So they have a very simple interface, and you can start creating sales funnels in a very easy way, because the tool is not very difficult to understand. They have the whole process is very simple. And I have also created the video and shown you how you can do this. So basically if you want, you will get the video in the end card, and you will get the video in the end screen, and at the same time you can also watch the video by clicking on the I button. So right now let's just see that what they are offering in their free plan. So in free plan, what they are giving you the sales funnel, three sales funnels. So you can build three sales funnels completely free inside their free plan. Okay, and not only that, it's not just give you this tool not only let you just create sales funnels, but at the same time it also let you do the email marketing. So you can start building your email list, and so you will generate leads, and then you can follow up with the leads. You can send them automated emails, you can send them the broadcast email, and everything you can do that inside this tool. And also you can create membership site. If you want to sell your own course, if you want to sell something, a digital product of your own, you can have a membership website as well inside this tool. So it's a 3-in-1 tool which gives you the which is a funnel builder, which is a email marketer, which is a email marketing tool, and at the same time it's a membership website tool. So you will get all these three things inside just one tool, and all three things are completely free to start. So yes, you can see three sales funnels. Then if I will talk about email, so basically you can build the list of 2000 contacts, and you can send them unlimited emails in their free plan, right? So also you can create your blog. So if you want to start your blog, you can create your blog and start publishing article. Also they are giving you the option to create one blog inside their free plan, and you can publish unlimited blog post. There is no restriction. And then you have one website. Basically you can have one membership website, and you can host your one course inside this tool, and you can enroll unlimited students inside that course, right? Also they are giving you some automation features, like you can build workflows, you can create tags, you can have the email campaign. So basically they are giving you only one is one workflow, one tag, one email campaign, one upsell. Basically what will happen when we create a funnel, sometimes we want to add a order bump, or we want to add a one click upsell. So order bump is basically a special type of form which we attach with the main order form, and anyone who want to like upgrade and want extra product. So basically if you have two products, so what you will do, you will add one product to the order bump, and if someone interested to buy that product as well, that person just click one button and the product will be added to the to the order. And when he will make the payment, he is actually buying the two product, the main product and also the order bump, the product that you have added in the form of order bump. So this is order bump, and you can create one order bump as well, and you can add one click upsell as well, which means that after someone entered their card detail and made the mind to buy your front end product and your order bump, now you can have one upsell where someone will just by one click add one more product and it will be charged from their credit card, the card which they have already entered the email, they have already entered the details, right? So this is a very very powerful way of selling the things, and you can build this kind of advanced funnel inside System.io completely free. So this is something which is very very amazing about this tool. And also they have many things like order bumps, A/B testing, coupon codes, all these things are there. You can do that. You can integrate Stripe, PayPal to collect payments, right? And also you can run your own affiliate program. You can add it custom domain. So this is very good feature, like you can add your own custom domain, uh, which is I think very very exciting and very very mind blowing at this level, which where it's completely free, right? They are giving you the custom domain options completely free, which I never seen in any other tool. Like I have used group funnels, I have used swipe pages, I have used many tools, but this is not available anywhere in free plan. But yes, here it is available. So um, it's a very good tool to start creating the sales funnel. So if you are looking to start, and if you just want to, if you are someone who have a product and who want to sell the product and looking for a tool that you can use to build your first funnel, this is the tool that you can use. Or also if you are someone who is just want to practice, who just want to see that how funnels works, how to design funnels, you can sign up for this tool and start creating funnels inside this tool. It will help you to learn as well. So this is a great place to start with. And I have this $27 startup plan per month. It's also a good plan. So if you already have a product and want to sell the product, and if you think that yes you can, you need more, then you can go with this $27 plan. And they have a very decent things here, like they are giving you 10 workflows, 10 automation rules, 5 workflows, 10 tags, 10 automation rules, like 10 email campaigns, right? And you can create 10 sales funnels, 5,000 contacts. So yes, is this $27 per month plan is also very good for someone who is selling the product. If you are a coach, if you want to launch your coaching program and you want to sell your courses, or maybe your group coaching program, this is a great place to start. Just go and sign up for this tool. It's a great this is what I am also using. And whatever the product I am creating, I'm going to also use the same tool to launch my products. So highly recommended. And if you want, just you can just sign up for the tool by clicking the link in the description. The link is in the description and also in the first comment. Just go sign up for the tool. And it is definitely the worth investing your time and money, because very simple to use tool. And ve- and also that their support is very very good. If you need any help, you can just email them and they will connect with you, and they will offer you all the assistance that you need. So highly recommended. Just go and sign up for the tool by clicking the link in the description and also in the first comment. Now, if you want to know how to build the funnel inside this tool, then I have already created the video where you will learn this thing. So just go and watch this video on the top. Basically this is the video in which I will show you how you can do that. And also, if you are interested to build the affiliate marketing funnels, I have created a training where you can see how you can use System.io to create affiliate funnels. So watch this video on the bottom. Here I will show you how you can use System.io to build the affiliate funnel. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay awesome, stay blessed. Also, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified about all the future videos. Thank you.